believe that we're preparing children for a future that no longer exists.
Learning, by its very nature, is not supposed to feel like something you have to endure or survive. You can have people that are motivated, that are capable, and learning is a game to them. It's fun. It's something that they find joy in, rather than something that feels tedious or stressful.
Our number one priority is to tune in to the inner life of every single child who enters our doors and see what they need. We see every single child as a hero on a hero's journey with a special mission, special gifts and talents that they have uniquely inside of them.
You have the type of relationship that doesn't exist in any other way other than to go through challenges together and to create things together and to overcome obstacles together.
Passion projects are where they get to truly just look inside and ask themselves, what would I love to dive into? And we build a path for them around that.
If you can deprogram that in kids and allow them to be at ease being disagreed with, and to be able to politely and respectfully disagree with whatever's being said by the other person, this is how you create a much more whole and empowered human being.
When you learn how to interact and be powerful in creating relationships with others, you will be successful in life.